Today I'm going to teach you how to install Angie in WordPress. This is a straightforward process that will have the plugin up and running on your site in just a few minutes, giving you access to whatever features Angie provides for your WordPress website. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your web browser and navigate to your website's admin area, which is typically your domain name followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the backend of your site. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage everything from posts to plugins. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Locate and hover over the plugins option. This section is where you'll manage all the add-ons and extensions that enhance your WordPress site's functionality. From the submenu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page, where you can search for and install new plugins directly from the WordPress plugin repository. Now you'll see a search bar in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and type in Angie. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering through the available plugins to find matches. Look through the search results carefully to make sure you're selecting the correct plugin, as there may be several plugins with similar names. Once you've found the Angie plugin you're looking for, you'll see an Install Now button right there on the plugin card. Go ahead and click on it. WordPress will now begin downloading and installing the plugin files to your website. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection and server speed. You'll see the button text change to show the installation progress. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will automatically change to an Activate button. This is an important step because simply installing a plugin doesn't make it functional yet. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Once activated, Angie will be fully operational and ready to use. You should see a confirmation message at the top of your screen letting you know the plugin has been activated successfully. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated Angie on your WordPress website. The plugin is now ready to use, and you can access its settings or features from your WordPress dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.